Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a craft haul video. I have a couple of items from Dollar Tree, Michael's, Amazon, and Frank Garcia. I think that's it. So let's get started. So first from Michael's, I only have one item. I purchased these really pretty leaves by David Totera. All his stuff was marked down at Michael's, so I'm kind of thinking that maybe it's on clearance. I'm thinking maybe he's not gonna have his stuff there anymore. I'm not sure, but it's in the wedding section. But these leaves are really pretty. I should have got 2-pack, and so you know that would be really pretty to go on a card front, especially if you're looking for dimension. So that was by David Totera at Michael's on clearance. And then from the Dollar Tree, I picked up these really pretty glitter ribbons. I have never seen these there before. Let's see what they look like. If they're super thick or they look like they're really thick. I'm not sure. Let's see. No, they're not too bad. And they do have sticking on the back. Really pretty purple. This reminds me of like I don't know, just really pretty. And then it's really pretty green, but let's take that. Well, now this is really pretty too. Look at that shimmer. Man, Dollar Tree, you're killing me. And then this pink like bubble gum. Just remind me of bubble gum. I just got these today, so I wish I had seen them earlier so I can make a card with them and show you. But I'll come back and show you a card. It's just so pretty. Just bling city. Pretty for Easter. Yeah, may have to get another roll of that. And then from Frank Garcia, I picked up some really pretty items. I picked up this Mente paper. I am so in love with this paper brand. They have just the really the prettiest colors. And this is called Urban Jungle. And it's 24 sheets. And I think you get 4 designs. So, I mean, and then they have these 2 bonuses that you get cutouts that are the front of the cover. And then the back cover. Let's look at it too. But this paper is so pretty, it's just going to be hard to use it. Look at that. It's gorgeous. And this one. And that, it's pretty. I don't know. Look at that. These are really pretty. Look at that. And look at that. And then you have that. Well, it's more than 4 designs. I don't know. I think 4 of 12 designs. That's what you get. I don't know. Look at that. That's so pretty. And there's some sweet little cut aparts. Look at the back. And I think we start over. Yeah. So it's 4 times 12 designs. 12 designs times 4. And really pretty. So check out Mente. I have just really fallen in love with that. And so then I got this sweet little mini die by Rosies Studio. And this is how it cuts out. It's really pretty. It's a fan. I purchased some fans from HSN. They were Anna Griffin, but I didn't like those, and I returned them. This is more what I need, something small. And then from the Magic Love Prima collection, these really pretty crystals. Now the camera is just not gonna do these justice. These are so freaking pretty. They are like pearlized, or and then this one has like flecks of gold in it. Super gorgeous. Yep. Nobody wants to use that. Just so pretty. And then you get, I got some 12 by 12, just a couple of sheets. This is the Nature Love Collection by Prima. Super pretty cut aparts. I am so into making easy cards right now. I don't know, I think because I work in my craft room now, it's my home office. I don't know, sometimes I just want to get out of there. Look at this, it's really pretty, it has gold. Look how that gold jumps out at you. Oh, the back. Oh, it's the same thing. Is that the same one? Yeah, sorry. And then this one is by Prima. It's the Golden Desert Collection. It's called My Peaceful Place. And these are so nice. There's like Southwest design. Super pretty. Look at that. Feel the happiness here. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but it's gorgeous. Can we stay here forever? And then on the back, this really nice design. I got 2 of those. We try not to buy paper because I have way too much paper. Way too much paper. And then 49th and Market had this collection. It's called Vintage Artistry. And this is ambrosia. I think that's how you pronounce it. I like this really subtle flower there. This wasn't as pretty as I thought it was going to be, but it's still pretty. Don't get me wrong. So I got 2 sheets of that. And Frank Garcia really ships fast. Maybe it's because I'm in California and they are in California. And then this collection is by Prima. It's the Capri collection, and this is called Marina Grande. Look at that. Look at that picture. Wouldn't you like to be there? It's gorgeous. A little gold on it. And I got 2 sheets of that. So that was my haul from Frank Garcia. I failed to mention that I did place an order with scrapbook.com because this was the only place that had this paper pad. And this is a paper pad by Prima. I'm sorry, that noise is the front door being open. That's my boyfriend. And this paper pad is called Diamond. And it's 30 sheets. And it's 6 double-sided designs, 5 each. So let's look at that real quick. Just super pretty. And then I bent it a little opening it, but that's on the end, so that's cool. Look at that. I just wish there were more pages, designs, but if you like something, you have plenty of it to use. And then this has just the dark design there. I really like this one. That's so pretty. And then the back. It's really interesting. And we keep going. And then this one. She is so gorgeous. Look at her eyes. So pretty. Pretty, pretty. And then the back there. So a lot of times when you have a page that has cut aparts, you like, I wish I had another one. Well, with Prima, you do. So you got plenty. And then this design. Wow, that's pretty. That would be really pretty on a slimline card. And in the back, I forgot to show you the back. It's really gorgeous. She's got her hands on her hips. And then the last design is kind of like an animal print. And then these geometrical shapes. Super pretty paper pad. I just wish it had more designs, but I like what I have. So then I placed some orders on Amazon, and I ordered a couple of dies from, let's see, the first one is from KSCraft. It was a Milk Carton die. Have example of that in a second. And then this next one, I just got this yesterday, so I didn't get a chance to stamp this out. This is, cut this out. This is for a in-memory Dex card. I didn't have one, and so I saw this design and I really liked it. I'll show this in another video. So let's get back to this milk carton. Tons of dies in this milk carton, but I watched the video online, and I'll link it below or tell you who it is below. I don't do the linking very well. And she walked you through this whole design, and so I was able to complete it. So here is my little milk carton box with drawers. So I haven't finished decorating it, but I wanted to show you where I was at this point. This is just something to hold it. But yeah, lots of dies, 3 drawers. You pull them out. You can decorate the inside of the drawer. You can even they have the dies to put the inside of the drawer with pattern paper. I didn't do that, but it is super, super cute. Fun to make. It was a challenge, but a video that I watched, she walked you through it pretty well. And then once you have whatever type of closure you're going to use, you can open up. You can put goodies in there. And so, like I said, I just reached in my drawer and got this clip to hold it. But that's it. That's my haul. Let me know what you think. Would you be interested in making this? It's so cute. So, like I said, I'll link, give you the information for the video that I followed. I mean, she's super easy to follow her, and she identifies all the different parts of the die because there's so many. And this is what I came up with. So let me know what you think below. Thanks for watching. And to my subscribers, I appreciate you guys. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And also give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.